Hey, what's up guys? It's Drew from Taylor Tech. I have an exciting announcement for everyone. We are starting a new series on this channel. It will be a complete smart home overhaul, if you want to call it that. We're in a new construction neighborhood right now. You can probably hear some of it going on way over there. They're working on some new houses over there. This is a brand new house behind me. It belongs to the Blakes. They are a couple that just moved in here, brand new house. They want to get their house converted into a smart home. They've already prepared a lot of things in advance. They've bought a lot of smart products. They've already installed a few, but I'm over here. I'm going to get the rest of it installed for them. We've got a whole list of stuff. I'm super excited to get going with it. So let's go inside, let's meet them, and let's give you a quick tour of the house. We'll show you what we plan on doing and how it's going to go. Let's go. So one of the first things they did was install a Ring doorbell. So let's see if they're home.
Hello? Who is it?
Hello, it's Drew from Taylor Tech. Can I come in?
Come on in.
Hey!
Hey Drew!
What's
Welcome
up?
to our home!
Welcome.
Thank you. Beautiful home. These are the Blakes. This is Stephanie. This is Matt. This is their new home, like I said, outside. Just moved in. We're gonna get it ready we're gonna smartify this place. Basically, we've got a lot of products I'll show you in a minute. I'll give you a quick tour of the house, just showing you around, show you a few different places where some of these products are going to be installed. We've got a thermostat, SmartThings hub, Echoes. We got the Ecobee smart thermostat. A whole list of products I'll show you in just a minute. A lot of switches and sensors also. But without further ado, let's check out this place. So here's the office right as soon as you walk in. Our router is right here. So this will be where the SmartThings hub will be. We got a computer desk over here, pretty basic. I believe there will be a dimmer switch on this lamp also because it is very bright. So moving on in, we have the upstairs to the right here. Living room with the TV. We're going to be adding some Wi-Fi enabled smart LEDs behind this TV. So there will be some glow, and it'll also work with our Harmony hub that we'll be installing later. So we have a dinette cafe kitchen over here. I don't think anything will be going in there, but as we turn around here, we can start to see some of the products that we will be installing. So as you can see from left to right, we have the Fire tablet, some Innovelli outdoor outlets. We have a couple smart switches, motion sensors, a Logitech Harmony hub under here, Echoes, Echo Dots, the Ecobee 3 SmartThings, our LED light strip. We have a bunch of smart Cree LED light bulbs. We have a SmartThings multi-purpose sensor, some Osram bulbs. There's even more coming. This is just to start. So I'll give you a quick tour of what's going on here. We have some switches over here that will probably be converting some of these into a smart switch. The thermostat is right here. This is obviously just run-of-the-mill contractor grade thermostat. We'll be putting the Ecobee there. So up here to the left, we have the loft area. Switches for that is right here. We have at least one of these will be changed out, which does control this outlet, maybe this outlet. We'll figure that out, but that smart switch will be able to control that. Going into the master, we will be putting a motion sensor in here at least. Probably a smart switch or two for that ceiling fan light. Into the master bath, there will be motion sensors in here. This will be probably a new vanity light, and it will have either bulbs or a switch. I'm not sure which route they're going to be going with that yet. Moving into the guest rooms and hallway, laundry room. I don't think there's anything planned for here yet. Bathroom, probably a switch located right here. And the guest room, we'll probably be changing this switch out, which does control that lamp over there, I believe. So that is the gist of it. There's also a downstairs, but it is unfinished right now, so we're not going to be tackling that as of yet. So that's it, guys. Just a quick announcement that we will be starting this full series. I don't know how many episodes it will be. This is episode 1, just kicking it off, getting it ready to show you guys what we'll be doing. There's a lot going on. There will be a lot of things installed over the next couple of weeks and months. So definitely make sure you're subscribed, hit that like button down below, and turn on notifications for my channel so you don't miss out on the new videos coming out in the future. Well, that's it for this one. Make sure you're subscribed. I will see you in the next one. And remember, stay smart.